I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. Transferring your balance to a new SIM can seem tricky, but it's pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check your balance. Before you start the transfer process, make sure you know your current balance on the old SIM. This will help you confirm the amount transferred later. Step 2. Insert the new SIM. Take out your old SIM and insert the new SIM into your device. Make sure your phone is powered off while you do this to avoid any issues. Step 3. Contact customer service. Call Three UK's customer service using the number 333 from your new SIM. Explain that you want to transfer the balance from your old SIM to the new one. Step 4. Provide necessary information. Be ready to provide your old SIM number and any other identification details they may ask for. This is to verify your identity and ensure the transfer is secure. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Once the customer service representative processes your request, they will confirm the transfer. Check your balance on the new SIM to ensure the amount has been successfully transferred. Sometimes, it can take a few minutes for the balance to appear on your new SIM, so don't worry if it doesn't show up immediately. If you have any issues, just reach out to customer service again. Good luck with your new SIM.